Welcome to Azerbaijan Airlines TV error. Don't turn off the TV. If you turn off the TV, you will get a -1. Oh no! You turn off the TV. Please don't turn off the TV. If you get another -1. Again? Why did you turn off the TV? Please don't do it. If you turn off, you get a -1 again. Why? Are you serious? No more. Turn off the TV. You get a -1 if you turn off. Come on! That's it. No, turn off the TV. If you get a -1, please don't do it. Oh. How dare you turn off the TV? That's it. You're not turning off today. If you get a -1, promise. Frick, why did you do it again? I will get a -1 more again. I will be Azerbaijan Airlines evil.
That's it. This is why I am Azerbaijan Airlines evil. You turn off again. I will get a -2 when you turn off. Why? I will jump scare while turn off the TV. You get a -0.9. No, that isn't. You're getting 1 month. This is your last chance to turn off the TV. That's it. I will jump scare you in 3, 2, 1.